Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLUGHITZLive.com/Amazon.
Hi, this is Jacob Cannon with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here at the Hover One booth at CES 2018. Would you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Sure. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Avi Afriad. I'm the head of sales here at Hover One, and we're excited to show you the Hover One product range today.
Very cool. You've got a very cool looking hoverboard in your hands right now. Would you go ahead and tell me about it and what's different about it?
Yeah, of course. So, this is actually a limited edition that we're doing in a special iridescent finish on one of our top selling models. It's Bluetooth speaker, app enabled. It's got all the bells and whistles from a fun aspect. Google Maps in case you need to get around. One of the coolest parts about it is the training mode. So, a lot of moms were scared of some of the social media videos they've seen of people falling down and so on. You're now able to control the speed and sensitivity sensors in a massive way. So starting off with beginner mode, the board is a little bit stiffer, a little bit easier to use. And then as you get more familiar with the board, you go up to intermediate and then eventually expert, and it unlocks a whole different riding experience.
Very cool. So you have multiple different hoverboard products. So you have this one here in your hands. Do you have others?
That's correct. Yeah, so we start off at a range of $199 on a basic, hoverboard that everybody's familiar with, and as we step up from $249, $299, $399, we change wheel sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch pneumatic tires, which means that there's air in the tires, so you could really take some New York City-sized potholes. Just a really fun product line.
Very cool. So on top of hoverboards, you have accessories for your hoverboard, is that correct?
Yeah, so one of the things that we wanted to unlock was how do you reach the masses? So there are some people that are a little bit maybe afraid of the bouncing aspect on a hoverboard and so on. And what we were really able to do was with some go-kart type of attachment accessories is really allow anybody, regardless of age demographics or fear of hoverboards. Everybody's ridden a go-kart before. So with some of the accessories we have over here, you're now able to really unlock a whole different experience.
Very cool. Thank you very much for letting me interview you.
Thank you guys for coming down here today, and look forward to seeing you next year.
And before we go, where can people go to see your product? Where can they find out more information?
Of course, we're available nationwide, Walmart stores as well as Best Buy stores, and then online, many retailers throughout the country.
Very cool.
Thank you
again. For continued CES coverage, go to PLUGHITZLive.com/CES.